Hey there and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going to be walking around this 1968 138 SS Chevelle. This one here's got a 454 under the hood, not the original motor. It's a later model motor. Electric fans, AC, power steering. Got the disc brake set up all the way around on this one, front and rear. Set of Rev wheels and a candy apple red paint job. We were doing the test drive. This thing drives awesome. Definitely check the test drive video out. Dual exhaust out the back. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood. That way I'm not tossing y'all around, flipping the camera around. I am going to be picking flaws on this one. I'm going to try to find every little problem I could see. We're going to check this top, see if there's any rust up under it, as well as I can without tearing it off. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. You can check out maplemotors.com for financing, close to 100 detailed pictures, and we ship these cars all over the nation, pretty much daily. We just updated our website. We do that every Monday. New cars, new inventory. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Coming around the front here, the bumper's not brand new. You can see a little bit of haziness going on with it. Bumpers for these cars are fairly cheap, about $150 for front and $150 for rear. It's not perfect though. It's got a few little lines and stuff in it, pitting from age. This paint job though is beautiful. We're gonna be getting up close and personal with it. It's got some water spots on it from last time it was washed. There's a little scratch in the paint there. Small stuff so far. Getting down low, checking out the lower parts of the car, make sure there's no rust, bubbles, issues popping up. So far, so good. The trim is in great condition. The seals around the vent windows look great. The mirrors have been replaced. The trim around the front window, it does have some small little scratches. Nothing major though. Nothing you can't polish out. The vinyl top, a little dry looking, but they all end up getting that way. I'm going to be running my hands over this, just looking, feeling for any kind of bubbles up under this top that you may need to know about. I usually just check the edges. Rarely does it just start doing it right in the middle. This would be the problem area if it had any. But so far so good on this side. Tires are in great shape. Like brand new rims on this. They're clean inside and out. Rear bumper looks newer than the front. It doesn't have all that pitting popping up. It does have some water marks just on the edges here. They wipe off. Tailpipe's got a little bit of, needs some steel wool on top of them, cleaned up. They got carpet in the trunk. They painted the inside of the trunk lid. It looks nice and clean, just like everything else. Looks like those have been painted as well. Checking the package tray, that's solid. You can see where they cut the speakers in. It looks so nice. I'm about to destroy it just to show you what the pan looks like. That's fairly new. Sorry, I'm getting in y'all's way. Yeah, that looks nice and clean. Everything's good about that. Oh, I hit the camera. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. All right, I'm gonna fix this later. Let's keep walking around the car. Trunk shuts perfect. Oh, this thing's beautiful. Checking this side for any kind of bubbles. I mean, so far so good. Seems nice and solid. Check the bottoms of the doors all the way down the car. Little spot there, somebody kicked the door, I bet, when they got out. Looks like they touched it up. Paint's a little thick here in the corner. It's actually got a little crack on it. Very light scratch here. That definitely, actually I just wiped it off. It wasn't even a scratch. I'm trying to find something on this one. New door handles, trim's new. It's like they glued that in there. That is typical. These things fall off. Weather stripping looks pretty new. Good deal. All right, we've made it all the way around this one. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out now. And we'll get her started up. Door panel on this one, nice and clean. Weather stripping looks good around the door. Check the bottoms of the door.
Yeah, I'm just checking it out, man.
Oh, it's all good. Okay, sorry about that. Somebody seen the car from the side of the road and decided to roll up on us and check it out. All right, coming around the door panel, we're gonna look up under it. I'm gonna check out the interior here. Carpet is pretty much new. Seats are in great shape. Back seats the same way, it's been replaced. Door panels all look good. A little trim piece back here fell. That ain't no big deal. It can be pushed back up. Package tray, it could be better, but it looks okay for now. It's just got some fabric laid down. Headliner's in pretty good shape. Not bad at all. Dash, go ahead and place your bets. We like to talk about if these horns work or not. So, what do y'all think? You think that one works? We'll be going over that here in just a second. The dash is in pretty good shape. It's showing that on the dash, but I can't stand behind it, so. And of course, you got your aftermarket gauges. I really like this tack here. Digital radio, vintage AC. There we go. Got past that sun. And of course, the shifter in the floor. Starts up nice and easy. You got a switch for your electric fans over here. Oh no, the hood dropped. Trying the air out. Blowing pretty hard. I heard the compressor just kick on. It is working. Looks like all of our gauges are working. Oil pressure's about 30. Gas gauge is up as well. Sorry about this sun glare. It's getting us today, ain't it? Wipers. Well, there we go. Wipers work. Radio working. Horn? No horn. Everything on this car works but the horn. All right. I gotta open this hood back up. It came down pretty slow, so sorry about this. Gotta flip y'all over. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hold it up just in case. The springs are not doing their job today. The vibration from the motor is making it come down. Well, up under the hood here, 454, AC, power steering, nice brackets have been added, electric fans on the inside here. Looking pretty good. And then up under the hood, you got your insulation. It's nice and clean. Now we'll let her down. Now she shuts easy. The edge of the hood up here does have a little chip in it, probably from where it came down like that before. Looks like a little touch-up mark there in the paint. Got light scratches up here on the hood. That can be buffed out. I'm about to give you some undercarriage shots. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so be checking for that. We'll go ahead and start in the back here. We're gonna look all the way around this car. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory. We update that every Monday. So go and check that every Monday, and you'll be able to see all these cars first. Throughout the week, I'll start putting these videos up. I've been getting them in big groups and usually finishing before the end of the week. I used to space them out and try to do it every day. Now I'm putting huge chunks on, getting them out there to you faster. But getting back to the test drive video, definitely watch that. This car runs and drives awesome. And with all this information, you'll know this car before you come down here. I do appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.